हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। जैसा कि मैंने आपको अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया कि आपको इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके जो है ढूंढने पड़ेंगे, बहुत सारे वेज फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे, जिसमें मैंने कुछ तरीके आपको बताए हैं। आज मैं इस वीडियो में चैट जीपीटी का जो है स्मॉल और क्विक ट्यूटोरियल है, जिससे आप अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, स्पेसिफिकली स्पीकिंग को एक्सपोनेंशियली कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। तो इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कैसे आप चैट जीपीटी को एक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पार्टनर बना सकते हैं और उससे कैसे कैसे आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स जो आप करते हो, जो आपको पता नहीं होता, जो कोई बताने वाला नहीं होता, मैं क्या मिस्टेक कर रहा हूं, कैसे वो करेक्ट होगी, तो वो चैट जीपीटी से हम यूज करेंगे कैसे उससे मिस्टेक फाइंड आउट करवाएं और उसको यूज करें, और मिस्टेक्स को करेक्ट करके कैसे हम अपनी इंग्लिश को और इंप्रूव करते जाएं तेजी से। तो ये तरीका मेरे पास पहले नहीं था, अभी आया है 2023 से, जब चैट जीपीटी जो है सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने लगा है। और अभी 2023 में स्टार्टिंग में वॉइस नहीं आया था, तो वो अभी आया है। Those who are new to this video, my name is Irshad and I worked in international call center. I used to handle American citizens and I also studied from Hindi background. So completely मैं हिंदी हूँ, मेरी मदर टंग जो है पूरी हिंदी है, मेरी कोई इंग्लिश मीडियम नहीं है, तो मैंने उस तरीके से जो है इंग्लिश सीखी है और मैं आपको तरीके बता रहा हूँ कि कैसे आप जो है अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं इस सीरीज में। सो लेट्स जंप ऑन इन। फर्स्ट वे जो मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ, चैट जीपीटी को आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए यूज कर सकते हो। चैट जीपीटी वॉइस को आप इंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो, प्लीज बी माई इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पार्टनर। जैसे कि फॉर इंस्टेंस आपको कोई फ्रेंड है जो इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता है, फिर कोई पार्टनर नहीं है जिससे आप रोज जो इंग्लिश में बात कर सको, कोई ऐसा नहीं है, तो उस केस में आप चैट जीपीटी को यूज कर सकते हो नॉर्मल बात करने के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाय चैट जीपीटी, हाउ आर यू?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. So, I'm starting to improve my English as I don't have any English speaking partner and my native language is Hindi. So in my surrounding, so many, people live, those who speak Hindi. There is nobody who speaks English. So I want you to be my English speaking partner so that I can speak to you on daily basis so that I can improve my English, okay?
I'd be happy to help you practice English daily. We can chat about different topics and I'll correct any mistakes to help you improve. Let's get started.
Okay, so I have a topic. Let's talk about social media. Okay, so please share 3 points about social media. Then after that, I will share.
Great topic. Here are 3 points about social media. 1. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow us to connect with people all over the world, sharing our thoughts, photos, and experiences. It's a powerful tool for businesses and influencers to reach their audience, promote products, and build their brand. However, it can also have negative effects, such as spreading misinformation and impacting mental health due to comparison and cyberbullying.
Okay, so my turn. So as I also use social media, so I realized that I'm talking about a specific platform, okay, Instagram. So on Instagram, I observed that so many people upload their best moment, happy moment, like they are traveling, they are having fun, they are living their best life, and they don't put their struggle part or anything. So this kind of thing gives us a loneliness feeling, right? What I'm doing, I'm just scrolling reels, I'm just watching content, I'm just consuming content on daily basis, I'm not doing anything, I'm not taking action. So this gives a kind of bad feeling, negativity. So this is one of the disadvantage. And the short form content, which is reel and short, those who consume on daily basis short form content such as reel and short, as I mentioned, so they cannot watch, they find hard time to watch long form content. Yes, I watched a documentary there, they studied that okay, those who consume only short form content, they cannot watch long form videos such as such as 10 minutes long YouTube video. They cannot.
You pointed out that on Instagram, people often share only the best parts of their lives. This can make others feel lonely or like they're missing out when they compare themselves. Also, if you watch a lot of short videos like reels or shorts, it can be hard to pay attention to longer videos because your attention span gets shorter. These are important things to think about when using social media.
ChatGPT, let's talk about general things like what did you do yesterday?
Well, as an AI, I don't have days or do activities like humans do. I'm always here, ready to chat and help out whenever you need. What about you? How was your day?
Yesterday I was working, so I work from home as a part-timer. So I was working. I worked from like 9 to 2, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then after that, I did some home chores, and then I spent time with my friends. I also wanted to read a book, but I couldn't, and did not do anything. Did not do anything special yesterday. Just normal, very 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 normal day. Less activities.
Sounds like a pretty balanced day with work, chores, and some time with friends. Even if it was a normal day, it's good to have those every now and then. What kind of book were you thinking of reading?
So as you saw, ऐसे आप इंग्लिश में इससे बात कर सकते हो. आप इससे कैसे ही बात करो. आप मिस्टेक्स करोगे, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू जज यू. आप बोल सकते हो कि प्लीज़ करेक्ट मी, वो करेक्ट करेगा. वो वाला सेकंड ऑप्शन मैं आपको बताता हूँ, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है. Hey ChatGPT, I am English learner, so I make mistakes. So many mistakes I make when I speak. So let's discuss on a topic, and then if I make any mistake, grammatical mistake specifically, then correct me and help me to repeat so that I can correct myself and practice there and there. Okay, so the topic is laptop. Let's talk about laptop. Okay.
Got it. I'll help you with corrections as we go along. By the way, here's a quick correction on what you just said. Instead of let's discuss on the topic, it should be let's discuss a topic. And instead of the topic is laptop, you can say let's make the topic laptops, or let's talk about laptops. Now go ahead and start talking about laptops.
Okay. So laptops are...
Go ahead whenever you're ready. Tell me your thoughts on laptops, or maybe share what you think makes a good laptop. I'll listen carefully and correct any mistakes as we go along.
Okay, so laptops, very handy. We can, if you are a video editor or a graphic designer or a corporate worker, or just do slightly, light things, such as working on Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentation, laptops are very handy. We can travel along with that, and we can charge wherever we want, and it is very handy. We can do so many things, and we can the most the best benefit of laptop is we can travel with it. And yes, now we can I have also seen so many laptops which are very heavyweight, so that those laptops we cannot travel with that.
Nice thoughts. Here are a few corrections to make your sentences clearer. 1. Instead of laptops very handy, you could say laptops are very handy. 2. Instead of we can travel along with that, try we can travel with it. 3. Instead of we can, charge wherever we want and it is very handy, try we can charge it wherever we want, which makes it very convenient.
So as you have listened all the conversation, आप क्या कर सकते हो, ये सारी चीज़ें वो करेक्ट करेगा. आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग इसको मॉडिफाई कर सकते हो कि हेल्प मी जब तक मैं जो है इसको सही से करेक्ट ना कर लूँ. एंड 1 by 1 आप इसमें आप इसमें 5 to 10 minutes डेली बोलोगे ना, डेली, तो आप समझ में आ जाओगे कि हाँ इस चीज़ के साथ हमेशा ये वर्ब लग रही है, इस चीज़ के साथ ये वर्ब लग रही है, तो ऐसी बात होगी. समझ रहे? इट्स लाइक यू आर इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री एंड यू आर टॉकिंग टू फॉरेनर्स, और बात हो रही है एंड फॉरेनर इज करेक्टिंग, ऐसे नहीं ब्रो, दिस इज यू हैव टू स्पीक इन दैट वे, दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस. तो दिस इज द बेनिफिट, यू शुड यूज इट as the reminder. If you want to be an English speaker, you have to speak a lot. You have to speak a lot. You have to speak a lot. ChatGPT मुझे अभी भी correct कर रहा है. So this is the power of ChatGPT. Utilize it, and I'll see you in the next video.